Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already did my eyebrows, and now I'm going to prime my eyes with my Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with my ABA setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm just taking a warm brown shade and putting that in my crease. Also, I'm really trying to grow my channel this year, so if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted about my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Now I'm using the Morphe by Jaclyn Bling Boss eyeshadow palette. And I'm just going to take that shade right there and put that all over my lids. Next, I'm using the Ioni XL Wispy Dramatic Eyelashes and the House of Lashes Eyelash Glue. To make sure there's no gap showing where I put my lashes, I'm using my Sephora eye pencil and my Essence waterproof mascara. For moisturizing, I'm using the Soap and Glory, the Fab Pore Moisture Lotion. And this is my first time using it, so I really like it. That provides a lot of hydration and doesn't clog the pores. It's not heavy on the skin, so if you're looking for a new moisturizer, it's a good one to try. Now I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. Next, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. To correct the dark spots in my face and neck, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. For foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 425. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. And I'm just putting this all the places where I put the orange corrector at. To highlight, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Medium Dark Warm. And I'm just placing this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that concealer is sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark. And I'm just going to take the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline since it's lighter. And I'm going to take the other shade to bronze other parts of my face. Now I'm using the ABA setting powder in Deep Peach again just to set where I had the concealer at. Next, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. Now I'm using the Juvia's Place Blush Duo Blush, and I'm just going to use that top shade for my blush. Next, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion 3D Highlighter And I'm just going to take that shade right there and use that to highlight. For lips, I'm using Fumi by Juvia's Place, the Royalty Lip Gloss. And I'm going to use their lip liner in Brownie. To set my face, I'm using Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this sultry makeup look that I did. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all to be alerted of all my uploads. So I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as all my social media handles. Also, please comment, like, and share. I would love to hear from you all. And if there's any suggestions that you have for makeup looks, please let me know. I appreciate each and every one of you watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.